Yo, how's it going, guys? Revoh here, coming to you guys with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to listen to your PC audio and your game console audio at the same exact time. PS4, Xbox, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to do it in this very simple, easy video to follow. But before we get into it, go ahead and leave a like, comment down below if you have any questions and if it helped you, and don't forget to subscribe, as well as follow my Twitch, link in the description down below. But yeah, let's get into the video. So, you just bought a brand new A40 Astro headset. You want to listen to your gameplay audio. Say you're playing COD, you're playing Shipment, and you want to listen to some Spotify music on your PC through the same headset, right? Is that what you're here for? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it very, very easily. Now, you are going to need two things. You're going to need a ground loop isolator and an aux cable, and I'm going to show you where to get them and how much they cost right here. So, first of all, you're going to need your ground loop isolator. What is this for? This is just in case you have any static noise on your headset, which you will, trust me. You're going to need this thing to eliminate buzzing noise right here. It's only $10. You already spent $250 on your headset. You might as well spend a couple more and make sure that everything works perfectly, as well as getting a brand new aux cable. I mean, you don't really need a brand new one, just make sure it works. Don't use one that you've had in your car for a very long time and that is all ripped up and cables are sticking out. Make sure you get one that is fairly new and that you know will work perfectly. So ground loop isolator for sure, cable optional, but you could go ahead and try it without this thing first. And if there's no static noise, then you don't have to buy it. But there's most likely going to be static noise in your headset and you'll know when you set it up. Now, this thing is very important in my opinion, but if it works without getting this, like if you set it up, I'm going to show you in the video right here how to do it. If you set it up without this little thing and it works perfectly fine, then you could go ahead and save yourself 10 bucks and don't get it. But I'm telling you right now that you're going to need this thing because something's going to be glitchy on the headset and you're going to need this thing. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it real quick in the little next video. So yeah, be right back. Alright, so now that you got all the things I told you to get, which are the ground loop isolator and a spare aux cable, like a brand new one. It doesn't have to be a brand new one, but I would recommend to get one just to make sure everything functions correctly. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to do it from scratch. Let's show you how to do it, starting with the ground loop isolator. So with this end that they give you, they're going to give you a spare little aux right here. And then they're going to give you the actual device that is crazy good. I don't even know who thought about it, but it works perfectly fine. So you're going to plug this end into the headset part of your PC. So where it says the little headset, little symbol, you see that little thing? Plug that in right there, right? And then you have this thing dangling, and you have the female input right here. You're going to get the brand new aux that I told you to buy, just to make sure everything is good, right? You're going to plug this, very simple, into this part right here. So you're going to plug it in. Now you have this part hanging, right? Where do you put this? You put this onto the back of your mix amp. Not on the front end, you put it on the back. So you'll see it right here. See if you see it. You see it? Aux. Put that right there. That's good. You're good to go with that part. Now, I'm going to show you what to do next. So you move on alongside of what do you see? You see the USB part. Plug that little cable that they gave you. It looks something like this. And plug it onto the back of that thing until it clicks. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There you go. And you'll know it's on, and you know you did it correctly if the lights turn on, obviously, because that thing is going to give you power. Now you plug that end of the USB that you just did onto your Xbox. It could be on the side, on the back, wherever. I have it right here, and that gives you power. Now, the optical part. You're going to plug that end on to the back of the mix amp. Again, right there, like I said, right there. You're going to put that right there. Hold on. You guys are going to be looking at nothing for a second. All right, that's on. And then you're going to put that onto the back of the Xbox on the optical input, which is very, very obvious. I mean, it's right here. You guys are going to know which one it is. It's the third one from the power. So power, HDMI, optical. Very, very simple. You guys are almost done. Now, you're gonna go on to the front end right here, and you're gonna use the aux cord that they gave you for the headset. So, this is the aux cord, right? Now, you're gonna plug it in right here, very simple. Make sure that's in, connected. And you're gonna get the longer part, or the end that has the mute thing right here. You're gonna plug the shortest end right here that has the mute thing on to your headset. Put that in real quick. With one hand, it's super hard. Hold on. All right, you guys, it's in right there. And now there should be no static coming from your headset whatsoever. Everything is set up absolutely perfect. And like I said before, the lights, since they're white, if you move this down, your headset's muted and it's red. Unmute it, it's white. You have everything set up perfectly. You have your ground loop right here. There's no static coming out of the headset whatsoever, and you're good to go. Now, if you enjoyed the video, guys, go ahead and leave a like. Comment down below if it worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, hopefully it helped you guys a lot, and follow my Twitch as well, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Bye, 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 bye.